Hello guys, welcome to Ganam Academy. So in this video we are going to solve using factorization method. So we're going to have these two questions. So the first question is x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So the quadratic equation is any that is in the form of a x squared plus b x plus c is equals to 0. So in this case our a is 1 and our b is -5 and our c is 6. So we are going to find two numbers. For the product is equals to a times c, which is equals to 1 times 6, which is equals to 6, and our sum should be b, which is equals to -5. So those two numbers, when we multiply those two numbers, it's going to give us 6, and when we add them we are going to have -5. So those two numbers is -2 and -3. So we're going to rewrite this equation, replacing this -5 with this -2 and -3. So we're going to have x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we're going to regroup this into 2. So the common number here is x, and when we try to open the bracket, it's going to in order to open this bracket, we are going to give us this. We're going to have here x and -2. So when we open this bracket, it's going to take us back here. So this and this is the same. You can try on your own. So minus, in this case the common factor here is 3, and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So when you open these two brackets, it is going to take you back to this equation. So we are going to regroup this again. So we are going to have x minus 3, those outside the bracket, and multiply by those inside the bracket. So it is going to give us the same. So basically this equation is the same as this, but we are just simplified in order to have two situations. So in our first case, we are going to have x minus 3 is equal to 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. So because when you multiply any number by 0, it is going to give us 0. So we assume either this or this is 0. So we are going to have either that or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So for our first case, taking this -3 on the other side, so either x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 2. So when we replace these numbers in this equation, it is going to give us 0. So we're going to the question number 2. So we are going to have the same. So we're going to have the product and sum. So the product is this 10 and the sum is -7. So we are going to find two numbers such that when we multiply those two numbers, we're going to have 10, and when we add them, we're going to have -7. So in this case, we're going to have -2 and -7. So when we multiply these two numbers, we're going to have not 7, this 5, -2, -5. So when we multiply these two numbers, we're going to have 10, and when we add them, we're going to have 7. Yes. So we write this equation as x squared minus 2x minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. So we regroup this again into 2. So we are going to have x into bracket x minus 2 and 5 on the other side, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So basically when we open this bracket, is going to take us back here. So this is equal to this. So we're going to regroup this again, those outside the bracket, x minus 5 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So what this means is this, we multiply by this, it's going to give us 0. So either this is 0 or either this is 0, because when we multiply a number by 0, it's going to give us 0. So we assume either this or this. So we're going to have x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So in our case here, we take this 5 on the other side, negative 5 on the other side, so we're going to have x minus x is equals to 5, or x is equal to 2. So thank you for watching. You can try this. Let's recall number 3. So we're going to have 2x minus 10 plus 12 is equals to 0. So try this and let me know in the comment what is the answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.